Hello, kids. How are you all? So, children, as you all are aware that we have started our unit 2, that is things around me, and in that unit we have completed yesterday being eco-friendly. So, before we'll start today's topic, before we will start that page, what we are going to do it in our GK book. We are going to discuss about jobs and occupation. Now, very easy word. My father is doing a job of teacher. My father is doing job in army. Jobs means the work which we were doing earning, for earning or for making a living. So that is our job. And occupation is that when we continuously do that particular job in that firm or in that school or whatever, so that will become my occupation. For example, if I take my example, I am doing teaching job and teaching or teacher is my occupation. So jobs and occupation, sometime we will take it as in a common way. So children, today we will do about jobs and occupation. As you can see on the screen that jobs and occupation is the heading, and just below that heading what you can see different people. Some of them are carrying brush, some are having that chef cap, some are having flower in their hand. So let's find it out, different occupation and different jobs. So children, let's start with the next. Now the next is people work. Means jobs and occupation means whatever the people do their work, that is called their job and occupation. This is according to British Council. And English language, what does that job and occupation mean? That is people work. Now, what are your parents' job? Check it out. For example, if your father is in army, then you will say that my father's job is in army. Then if your father is a teacher or if your mother is a teacher, then what are your parents' job? Let's check it out. Job is something that work which earn money for your living. So that is your job. Let's find it out, different jobs. Now first of all is farmer, one who grow crops, one who earn wheat, rice, pulses for our country. One who grow crops in the field is called farmer. And very interesting fact is this, that in our country about 70% to 80% of the population, 70 to 75% of population is farmer. So the first occupation which I consider in our country is farmer. So, and one more thing about farmer is that they mostly live in villages. They are not belonging to our cities. Most of the farmers were living in our village areas. Next occupation is fireman. Now this is fireman. Whenever we have a kind of incidents that कहीं पे भी अगर आग लग जाती है, then we are going to call fire extinguisher. So what is that? Fireman, what fireman does, that fireman help us to make a control on fire. आग को बुझाने में हमारी हेल्प करता है. एंड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर का नंबर भी आपको बोला है बहुत मेनी टाइम्स कि भी हाँ आपको याद होना चाहिए फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर का नंबर. नाउ these fire extinguisher have a different costume. What we were talking about different jobs and occupations. फाइन, अब इसका जॉब क्या है? फायरमैन का जॉब है, ठीक है, एंड इसका यही ऑक्यूपेशन हो जाता है. विल कंसीडर इज एज अ फायर मैन ओनली. नेक्स्ट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पेंटर. आपको घर में भी कलर कराना है, या कोई भी डेकोरेशन कराना है, कोई कलरफुल वॉल यू हैव टू मेक, then you are going to make a call to painter. Again, the next job and occupation. Today we will talk about some of the jobs and occupation, and let's reveal it. Let's find it out. What are the different occupations? So the next was painter. Painter is very common occupation. You will find it out in your surrounding also. That people, those who are painting the wall also, those who are making painting at home also, and these all comes in the category of painter. Next is tailor. Tailor, one who stitches the cloth. Fine, it can be a woman or a man. Fine. So tailor is a common category in which, like just like teacher, in which sir is also there and madam is also there, just like that. And tailor also, some male tailors are also there, some people belongs to that the job of tailor also. So tailor, one who stitches the cloth, that comes in the category of tailor. Fine. So what we were doing it, we were finding, seeing different category of jobs. Next is electrician. See what that person is doing. उसने यहाँ पे वायर कैरी किया हुआ है, वायर कैरी किया हुआ है, वायर के साथ साथ क्या किया हुआ है उसने, उसके साथ उसने वो बल्ब जो है, ही इज चेंजिंग दैट बल्ब, इधर स्क्रू ड्राइवर रखा हुआ है. सी विद दैट कॉस्ट्यूम ऑल्सो, आप ये इनके ड्रेसअप से भी यू कैन मेक अ गेस कि व्हाट टू विच कैटेगरी दे बिलोंग टू. सो इलेक्ट्रीशियन, वन हु डज वर्क ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके घर में कोई वायरिंग करानी है या आपको क्या कराना है, घर में कुछ भी आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग करानी है, दैट वुड बी डन बाय इलेक्ट्रिशियन. वन हु डू वर्क ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिशियन. फाइन. द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज दिस ओनली, इलेक्ट्रिशियन. फाइन. नाउ विल कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट जॉब, हेयर ड्रेसर. Might be many of you went for that hair dressing. So that would be male also, female also. And hairdresser, one who dress your hair, means a proper dressing of your hair. It must be look nice, it must be look neat. So that is hairdresser. Fine. Hairdresser is a profession which related to dressing of hair only. So that is hairdresser. Quite a good category. You must have seen also, and you will be able to know different jobs and occupation. Today I have brought this PPT for you. Now postman, one who delivers letter. Now postman is very often common. Nowadays we have that courier one also. So postman, earlier we have only postman. So postman, what is the work of postman? Postman delivers letter from home to home. Fine. Which comes by Indian Post. Indian Post से जो चिट्ठियाँ आती हैं, that letters were posted by these postmen. One of the main occupation of our country. So many postmen were there in our country. So this postman, you all are aware of it. बहुत सारे postmen आप लोगों ने देखे भी होंगे, आपके घर पे भी लेटर लेके आते हैं. So that comes in the category of postman. So now next, vet. Vet. Now the vet is a kind of a doctor. इसको हम short form में will speak it vet. Otherwise the full form is veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor. Fine. Vet means one who treats your pet. One who treats your pet. फाइन. आपके पेट, लाइक आपका पेट है, कोई डॉग है, कैट है या और कोई एनिमल यू हैव इट, उसका ट्रीटमेंट या उसका टेक केयर जो करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड वेट. सो दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ द ऑक्यूपेशन विच यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट. फ्यू मोर वी हैव इट. सो विल लेट्स सी दैट. गार्डनर, one who take care of your garden, your trees, your plants in your garden, in your society, that comes in the category of gardener. Gardener means one who take care of your garden. Garden से gardener आता है, one who take care of your garden. that is called gardener. Or gardener, what is the work of gardener? Gardener takes care of your garden, your flowers and plants and trees in your garden. Gardener, very common occupation which you have seen many of person, those who are doing it. Now, secretary. More often you have heard that the person, those who are working in MNCs, means multinational companies, they have secretary. Secretary means one who take appointment for them, one who fix their meetings with other clients, one who take care of all those files and all those documents which must be managed in a proper way, and that job was done by secretary, which is a right hand of any head of any company. So that is secretary. Now next is sailor. Sailor, you all are aware of sailor, one who row the ships. Now it is totally related to our one of the defense, that is navy. And here you can see one picture of a sailor which is looking in a navy uniform, and sailor is one of the respectful occupation of our country. Now sailor, they will take care of our boundaries which will be there with other countries. So sailor is one of the respectful occupation, and it is related to our defense academy also. Fisherman, one who catch fishes in the sea. Fisherman. Now this boat is also quite interesting. Boat में one person is there and carrying that binocular कि कहाँ पे भी आसपास कौन सी ऐसी ज़मीन या कुछ आ रहा है land where they can easily catch the fishes and other water animals. So fisherman is also a very important kind of occupation, but in most part of the country you won't be find it out that fisherman. आपको सिर्फ उन्हीं states में या उन्हीं एरियाज में आपको फिशरमैन मिलेंगे जहाँ पे क्या होता है, जहाँ पे सी होता है और वहाँ पे वो दे कैन गो फॉर फिशिंग. ठीक है, वहाँ पे जो फिशिंग के लिए जा सकते हैं. इन दैट एरिया ओनली यू विल फाइंड इट आउट दिस ऑक्यूपेशन मोर ऑफन फिशरमैन. आपको प्लेन एरियाज में यू वोंट बी एबल टू फाइंड एनी फिशरमैन. प्लेन एरियाज में आपको फिशरमैन नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट ऑक्यूपेशन. Now mechanic. Now mechanic means one who repair your vehicles, means car, scooter or motorcycle, any other vehicle which you have it. So that is along with that you can see the uniform of mechanic, that ऐसे wrench को रखा हुआ है pocket में, and then coil, one wire also, tire is also there. So mechanic का भी आपको ड्रेसअप से you will be able to know that what is that mechanic. Taxi driver. Why should I show you all these professions? Because today's topic we are going to find it out all these professions. So let's find it out. Taxi driver, one who drive the taxi or drives a car as a taxi. So that person is called taxi driver. Taxi driver. Next is photographer, one who click photographs professionally. For example, if you remember हमारे भी स्कूल में one person has came to take a photograph when we were there for group photograph. So that person is called photographer. जो प्रोफेशनली उसका प्रोफेशन जो है, उसका जॉब जो है, उसका ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है, to click the photograph. So that person is called photographer. That person is called photographer. So see, so many occupation we have, and we are looking those occupation also. Astronaut, one of the favorite of so many children, astronaut, that we will also become astronaut. We will sit in rockets or in spaceship and will go in space. That occupation is astronaut. Astronaut. So children, quite interesting occupation we have now. Teacher, my occupation, one who teaches the child or the children, one who teaches the children, that is teacher. One who teaches the children, that is teacher. You can find it out. So many occupation I have shown you today. I hope you have enjoyed seeing all these occupation also. Teacher. Next is pilot. One who one who drives or one who flies aeroplane. That person is called pilot. That person is called pilot. So many occupation we have. Now waitress, might be this must be new for you, that in foreign countries girls are also serving food in the restaurant, and these are called waitress. Dentist, one who take care of our teeth. One who take care of our teeth, that is called dentist. One of the occupation, one of the jobs. So now the next is doctor. Whenever we fall sick, we'll go to doctor. Whenever we fall sick, जब हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, हम कहाँ जाते हैं? We'll go to doctor. So that doctor is one of the renowned profession of our country, one of the famous occupation in our country, that is doctor. Policeman, again one of the very important person of our society, who takes care of our society, which catch thieves and protect our society, that is policeman. And it is aim of so many children that I want to become a policeman when I grow up. So that is very important person of a society. Cook, one who cooks food for you, that is cook. Or sometimes we will call them chef also, but the occupation is cook only. That job of chef they were doing, but the occupation name is cook only, and all they were doing these job for earning money. Now the next is musician. Musician, one who make music for different songs. आप बहुत सारे songs सुनते हैं. You have heard Bollywood songs also, you have heard Hollywood songs also. अब song में तो पहले words होते हैं. अब words को जो बनाता है, that person is called songwriter or lyricist. Fine. But one who gave music to that song, एक जो उसको song को music देता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is called musician. So this is again very important, one of the important profession or occupation. Journalist, अभी तो आप nowadays if you are watching news, then you might have seen कि बहुत सारे journalist होते हैं. Journalist means one who discover the news, or one who find it out what has happened in our surrounding or in our society. That is the job of journalist. Journalists are finding what is correct or what is incorrect, and they will take all the reports together, and then they will give those news in the television or in newspaper also. In fact, print media means that newspaper, those who are collecting the news for newspaper, they are also called journalist only. Now, here is an activity. What is your father's job? Fine. This is an activity for you all. What is your father's job? So what you will write? He is a dash. Fine. For example, if your father is army officer, so you will write he is an army officer, or any occupation job you will write it. He is a teacher, he is a anything, he is a pilot, he is a sailor, fine. And what is your mother's job? He is a house maker, he is a teacher, whatever it is, fine. So whatever your father's job or your mother's job, that you will, are this words correct? अभी आप ये एक्टिविटी you will do it. Are these words correct? ये words जो है ये correct है. These are scrambled. अभी scrambled है, उल्टे पुल्टे किए हुए हैं. आपको क्या करना है? आपको इनको सीधा करना है. अभी हमने ये सारे प्रोफेशन अभी देखे थे. अभी मैंने जब आपको स्लाइड्स दिखा रही थी, आपने सोचा होगा कि अरे मैम स्लाइड पे स्लाइड अभी ये दिखा रही है, ये भी प्रोफेशन दिखा रही है, तो इसको तो हमें यूज नहीं करना कहीं पे भी, बट अभी आपको यूज करना है. अब आपको बताना है आर दिस वर्ड्स करेक्ट. पहला वाला बताएंगे. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? LIPOT. फटाफट से बताएंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज क्वाइट इजी. पहला वाला बहुत इजी है. फटाफट से बताएंगे. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड? यस करेक्ट, दैट इज pilot. PILOT, pilot. Now what is the second? Yes correct, the second is cook. COOK, cook. Very good. Now come to the third. What is the third profession? Okay, RAGNERDE. Okay, find it out. What is the next one? Which profession is this? Think about it. Which is the profession? This third one. Yes. Okay, now tell me which profession is this third one? Think about it. RAGNERDE. Think about it. Which profession is this? अभी हमने किया है, बिल्कुल अभी किया है. Okay, you can think, you can take time. Next you can tell. Yes, next is policeman. Now the next is, which is the next one? Yes, think about it. Okay. Next is what? Yes, you think about it. Now next is astronaut. And after that we have here dresser. So let's move to the next slide. Match the pictures with the words. Here different pictures you can see on the screen, and just below that answers have been given. You have to match it. Is again a kind of activity. Number one is a coach. One who give training to others. Fine. So different occupation you can see here. Let's have some fun. Now you can see the different occupation person were related over there. In this picture you can see many profession. Musician you can see cook, you can see mechanic, you can see sailor, pilot, and that coach also, you can see doctor also over there. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's this topic, jobs and occupation. And now children, let's have the exercise from your book, which is your page number 9, that is making a living. So let's start children that. So now children, let's start our exercise, that is making a living. As you can see on the board, our unit 2, things around me, and page number 9, making a living. Just now you have seen the presentation, the PPT related to this different jobs and occupation. So we have seen different occupation in that, and now we will find it out different occupation which have been given in your book. So let's start. First one is I write the words of songs. Just now I have told you that one who write the words for the songs. that is called songwriter or lyricist. So here you will write number 1 will be lyricist. What you will write? You will write lyricist. So write down LYRICIST. Sometimes we often tell them lyricist को हम sometimes will tell them or will call them songwriter also. Who is the songwriter of this song? Commonly in common language we will use that. Who is the writer of this song or lyricist of this song? Fine. Now second is I design and develop video game. So who develop or design the video game? Video game developer. Video game developer. Developer means one who develop it. Fine. So that is video game developer. Now number 3, I make breads and cakes. I make breads and cakes. Who I am? I am a baker. One who bakes, that is called baker. One who bakes, that is called baker. So quite easy. Third one. Fourth one, I teach student how to play football. See, this we have seen in the PPT also, that I teach student how to play football. I am a football coach. Yes, one who teaches how to play football, that one is called football coach. So quite easy. Number 4. Number 5 is I treat diseases of the teeth and gums. Now this also we have seen in the PPT. Quickly you can tell me the answer. I treat diseases of the teeth and gums. Who I am? I am a dentist. I am a dentist. Number 6, I fly an aircraft. Now this also you have seen in the PPT. Who flies an aircraft? Pilot. Who flies an aircraft? Pilot. Fine. So with this we have done our book exercise. I'll repeat this book exercise once again. I write the words of the songs. Who write the words of the song? Lyricist. Who write the song? Who write the words of the song? Lyricist. Fine. And what is the next is I design and develop video games. Who develop video games? Video game developer. Video game developer. Now come to the next. I make breads and cakes. Who make breads and cake? One who bakes, that is called baker. He is called baker. B-A-K-E-R. Now these spellings you can see from the help box also and from the board also, and then you can do it. Now number 4, I teach student how to play football. So who teaches student to play how to play football? That is, yes, football coach. Football coach. Now come to 5th. I treat diseases of teeth and gums. I treat diseases of teeth and gums. I am a dentist. Yes, this also you have seen in that. Fine. Now come to 6th one. I fly an aircraft. Who I am? I am a pilot. I fly an aircraft. I am a pilot. Very easy. Now we'll come to tidbits. Tidbits also, it's very important. What is given here in the tidbits? A jockey. Who is the jockey? Jockey rides horses in horse racing. Now horse racing is one of the event in which that horse was run by jockey. Now jockey is again a profession. Again a profession, a job. A person who runs the horse in horse riding or in horse racing. That person is called jockey. This is also an important profession. Now a radio jockey. Who is a radio jockey? RJ means one who makes shows, talk shows on radios. दैट इज कॉल्ड रेडियो जॉकी. अभी आप लोग 98.3 FM और डिफरेंट चैनल्स वर देयर, उस पर आप देखते हैं ना कि लगातार somebody saying, और उसमें वो लोग कुछ भी बात करते हैं एक दूसरे को, जैसे कुछ भी काइंड ऑफ ए केस दे आर टेकिंग एंड ऐसी जनरली कि क्या हो रहा है, अभी क्या हो रहा है, एंड दे आर सम कंपटीशन ऑल्सो विल हेल्ड देयर. तो वो रेडियो जॉकी, दे आर कॉल्ड रेडियो जॉकी. एंड डिस्क जॉकी इज ऑल्सो देयर. डिस्क जॉकी मीन्स जो हमारे वो होते हैं ना डीजे, कहते हैं डीजे, हमने डीजे वाले को बुलाया है. डीजे क्या कहता है, पार्टीज एंड जो शोज होते हैं उनके अंदर वो गाने बजाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्क जॉकी. Fine. So children, today we will finish our class here. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. Different profession, different jobs and occupation we have seen today. So that's all for today, children. I hope you all have enjoyed it a lot. So have a good day.